Hey everyone, so here's Memrise app, which is about language learning, and it's in top charts in education category on App Store. So it's 133 megabytes size, so over 170k ratings, 4.8 out of 5. So just tap Get and tap Touch ID to install, and then you will be able to install this app. And yeah, this is a really cool app, a lot of good reviews. Learn 20 plus languages here, really cool interface, nice design, a lot of visuals, very visual app, used by 50 million people. So yeah, that's the app, and then you can just tap open. And this is how you create an account here. So there you have it.